Don't you love keeping your ride clean and protected? Then check this shit out. Now, before we torched the hood of this car that we applied Fortify Quick Coat, the advanced ceramic formula tube by Shine Armor, this all-in-one formula also cleans and shines in one simple application. Hey, I'm Cody, and I want to show you the secret to getting a professional grade wash, mirror-like finish, and impenetrable protection in just minutes. Listen, if you're still detailing your car with buckets, waters, hose, soaps, and waxes, but still can't seem to fight off dirt, grease, and grime, just builds right back up, a few days later, that's because your car is getting attacked with harmful contaminants and harsh elements every single day. Traditional detailing products like car waxes, they are not even close to being engineered to protect against any of that. And in fact, listen to this, waxes start to melt at 99 degrees Fahrenheit. For those summer months, you really might as well just stop waxing. But then, what are you supposed to do to make sure that your ride is cleaned and protected for long periods of time? Most people, they hire a professional detailer who has the money to fork out hundreds of dollars every single month for that. Not to mention, man, detailing, come on, it should be fun. It's a hobby that you should do yourself and take pride in. And traditional at-home detailing methods are proven to not last long. The team at Shine Armor carefully engineered a powerful one-step detailing solution for a safe, easy to use, and long-lasting formula. Now, you're probably wondering, what makes Fortify Quick Coat so much better than other products? Here's the big secret. Fortify Quick Coat uses advanced nanotechnology formulations, which basically means that it can penetrate deeply into your vehicle surfaces where other products cannot. This lab-engineered formulation produces an emulsification process that effortlessly lifts contaminants, all while simultaneously layering your surface with a powerful ceramic coating. But enough with all that science. Let me actually show you how it all works. You can see here how you simply spray Fortify Quick Coat and wipe with a damp microfiber towel to remove contaminants. Then buff it out with a clean microfiber towel. Notice how quickly and easy it is to wash your surface with no added water. To be completely honest, that's not even the truly remarkable thing about Fortify Quick Coat. What's really separating this product from everything else there is on the market is the powerful protection that your car's surface is left with. Just watch here as water slides right off. Bird poop, dirt, grease, grime, surface scratches, and more. It doesn't stand a chance when you use Fortify Quick Coat. The surface of your car is literally armored up. But hey, don't just take it from me. With over 10,000 five-star reviews and hundreds of thousands of customers worldwide, Shine Armor's Fortify Quick Coat has become a DIY detailer's dream come true. One of our customers even says,
"This was very easy to apply. Took about 20 minutes to do my truck. It looked great, but what I really like is I've been in 2 rainstorms driving on the interstate and it all shines like before and it maintains a stay clean look. No need for me to try a competitor product because this checks all the products. Thanks, Shine Armor."
But at the end of the day, what makes us most happy is when we get reviews like this one.
Check out my ride right here. You see my baby? Hella clean, right? You know what I use? Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. This thing is the best. Shine Armor, thank y'all so much for making this thing. I've had such a breeze cleaning up my ride.
And if you're not completely in love with Fortify Quick Coat, we offer a full 100% money back guarantee. Anytime within the next 30 days of purchasing that you are not completely 100% satisfied, we will refund your money, no questions asked. But I gotta say, customers rarely ever want a refund. In fact, our customers always want to come back for even more. Even our worldwide customers choose to buy from us because our American-made products are guaranteed to be quality and ethically produced every single time. Before we go any further, I wanted to just say thank you for your time.